In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive quota exceeded. This message can be confusing because it actually refers to two different limits, and the right fix depends on which one you're running into. Let's break it down clearly and get you back to work. First, understand what quota exceeded can mean. In many cases, it's your storage quota. That's when your Google account has reached its storage limit, like the default 15 gigabytes, and Drive stops letting you upload or create new files. When this happens, it doesn't just affect Drive. Gmail and Photos can be impacted too, because they all share the same storage. If you're seeing messages about being out of space or uploads are failing across Drive, this is likely your issue. If your storage is full, the fastest no-cost fix is to free up space. Start by deleting large files you no longer need in Drive. After you delete them, make sure you open the trash and empty it. Files in the trash still count against your quota until they're permanently removed. Next, tidy up Gmail. Big attachments add up quickly, so clearing out old or unnecessary emails with large files can free significant space. Remember, storage is shared, so even a small cleanup across Drive and Gmail can make a big difference. If you need an immediate and simple solution, consider buying more storage through Google One. Upgrading increases your capacity right away and removes the error instantly. The second meaning of quota exceeded is a download quota on a shared file. This happens when a file has been viewed or downloaded by too many people in a short time, and Google temporarily blocks access to prevent abuse. If that's what you're seeing on a file someone shared with you, try making a copy. Open the file, click the three-dot menu, choose, make a copy, and then download the copied version. The copy is treated as a fresh file in your Drive and isn't bound by the original file's download limit. If that doesn't work, another method is to add the file to your Drive and download it as part of a folder. Click Add Shortcut to Drive, place it in a folder, and download the entire folder. This can sometimes bypass the download limits. And if all else fails, simply wait. Google typically resets the download quota within about 24 hours. To recap, if you can't upload or create files, free up space or upgrade storage. If a shared file is blocked, make a copy, try adding it to a folder and downloading, or wait for the reset. Follow the path that matches your situation and you'll clear the error quickly.